Hey, it's Sparx here, and we are about to learn a behind the neck toss, horizontal plane. Gonna jump straight into it. The way that I like to get into this is from a lasso, and I like to go from a lasso, focusing on when it touches my palm to catch it, bring it around to the front, and this is where I pass it to the other hand with a palm up grip. If you haven't quite got lasso yet, another way you could learn it is from this move, going around and around, and instead of passing to a palm down, we can pass into a palm up. So this move happens from a palm up position. Palm up. From here, what I want to do is I want to allow the hoop to continue traveling behind me, and when it gets to the back of my body, I'm going to just let go. So it looks like this. I just let go behind my neck, and it should shoot across that way. I'm going to show you from behind. This position, fingers pointing up, palm up. So I'm going to let it go that way. So we go palm up, keeping it nice and low. There's a tendency for a lot of people to grab the hoop and bring it over their head to try and place it on their catching arm. Like that. That's a different move. It's not a toss. It's not what we're going for. So we want to focus on getting it onto this hand, scoop this hand behind the neck and release behind. The opposite hand isn't trying to catch the hoop, it's trying to hook the hoop in this position. So what we actually want to be doing is grabbing the hoop with this hand, bringing it behind, and we release it here, and it slides down this arm, and it just stops, because what we've got is we've got this hand ready in a like stop position. So as soon as we toss that hoop, this arm goes like this, stop. And you can see I'm not out to my side, I'm not this way, I'm actually this way. So stop behind. So we go, palm up position, toss behind, hook. And from that hook, it's quite easy to just push into a circle, up into a lasso. So it looks like this, toss behind, hook, circle, lasso. The circle is like this, circle, push, yeah, stop, circle, push. Let's do it again, normal speed and then slow-mo. And you can see I can do it continuously, yeah? So we can just go grab, toss, circle, pass, toss, circle, pass, toss, circle, pass, toss, or land in a lasso. I'm going to show you from the side and the back as well. And there you have a behind the neck toss. If you liked it, please do share it. You can find me on Facebook at Hoopsparx, Instagram at Sparx, or the internet at hoopsparx.com. Happy behind the neck tossing.